Hello, everybody, and welcome back for your week 21 PE instruction. So, this week we are going to continue with our pedestrian safety. So, you've got your warm up that you're going to click on, and that's going to be a this or that candy themed. So, you're going to do that. And then after that, we're going to do a review of the proper crossing sequence that we worked on last week. Okay. So you are going to do, let's see, this one right here. This video right here, okay, is the one you're going to do. Talks about stopping at the edge, what you're supposed to do when you're crossing the street. So you're going to do that one. And then, yeah, so you're going to play this video and do a quick review of what we learned last week about what a pedestrian is and how to cross the street safely. And then after you do that, you are going to learn about crossing the street with a visual barrier. So you're going to learn about what a visual barrier is and how to cross the street safely with the visual barrier. So you're going to watch this video to learn about how to cross the street with a visual barrier, what a visual barrier is. And then you're going to learn about what an intersection is and how to cross that safely. So then you're going to learn about an intersection and what an intersection is. So this is going to teach you about an intersection and how to cross an intersection safely. And then the last thing you're going to do is watch this video, I'm No Fool on Wheels. It's a nice little video talking about when you ride anything that has wheels, what you need to do to keep yourself safe when you're riding anything that has wheels. Okay. And that will wrap up our week 21 lessons on pedestrian safety, as well as how to be safe when riding things that have wheels. So next week we have one more week left in this unit, and then we'll wrap things up. So hopefully you've had some chance when you've been out with your family. Maybe you've been on walks in the evening or just going to the store or anything like that to practice some of these skills that you've been working on or learning about and how to be safe when you are being a pedestrian. All right. Well, I look forward to seeing you next week and have a great time exercising and learning about pedestrians. Bye.